When it comes to design, where are the best places to invest your money? What are the guidelines for placing furniture? How large should your living room rug be? How do you know what size lights you need and where to hang them?
I'm Angela Nuessle, the National Director of Design at Pulte Group. I've been with Pulte for over 14 years, and I've found that there's one thing that's always on our customers' minds. When decorating, how do you make sure you're spending your money where it counts? My team decorates 400 model homes a year, so over those years, we've gathered a lot of knowledge and expertise to answer that question.
Here are 5 tips to design on a budget. Start with larger items. Add art. Paint for visual impact. Use rugs, cushions, and more. And turn on the statement lighting. First, start with your larger items that won't be replaced often. These are the pieces everything else in the room plays off of.
This would include larger scale items, such as your sofa in your gathering room, the bed in your owner's suite, and dining chairs in your dining space. Make sure the foundational elements are items you love. That will help guide the rest of your design decisions. Putting new art in a room can transform the feel without spending too much. DIY, to personalized photography, to options found somewhere like Wayfair. All can be very budget-friendly. Paint is another easy way to transform the look of a room. Sherwin-Williams has a beautiful palette for any room in your home. You can use paint to brighten up a space or make a statement with an accent wall. We also have a video about the difference paint can make and how to choose and coordinate colors. Refreshing soft goods, meaning rugs, cushions, drapes, pillows, and throws, can spruce up any interior. Keep in mind, you want the fabrics to be durable and forgiving when it comes to stain resistance, especially if you have kids or pets. Outdoor fabrics have advanced and are extremely soft to the touch. Consider them as an option. They're durable and resist water and spills. Finally, if you have money in your budget to spare, consider adding some lighting as a finishing touch. Statement lighting can play a huge role in creating a unique and memorable space. Think of it like jewelry for your home. In the kitchen, pendant lighting offers the option to add a touch of personalization. Pendants should be placed 30 to 34 inches above the countertop or 72 inches above the floor. A general rule is to use pendants 15 inches in height and 8 to 20 inches in diameter. You'll want to space them at least 6 inches from the edge of the island and keep them about 30 inches apart. For your dining room chandelier, choose the size based on the room. An easy way to do this is to add up the dimensions. For example, for a 10 by 15 foot room, add 10 and 15 to get 25, and choose a chandelier that's at least 25 inches in diameter. For a 9-foot high ceiling, your chandelier should be about 33 to 37 inches above the table. If your ceiling is higher than 9 feet, add an additional 3 inches for each additional foot. In the bedroom, putting pendant lights over your nightstands is a unique departure from the standard lamp or wall mount sconce. The width of the pendant should be approximately half the width of the nightstand and hung about 20 to 30 inches above it. Another way to add a dramatic flair to your bedroom is to use a chandelier. Placement of your bedroom chandelier will depend on the placement of the junction box. If centered widthwise over the bed, you can hang a standard chandelier. If it's off-centered, consider using a flush mount, semi-flush mount, or a ceiling fan. Those are just a few decorating tips that help make the process less intimidating without breaking the bank. Pulte Homes also partners with top brands for finishing touches, expertise, and even some discounts to save you even more money after you close on your home. Now go have fun designing your space, and if you want some more tips, go to our Design Center online.